acostumbra el sour, ya no patea. Me llegan a casa, no se capea. Solo modelos como Barea. Multiplica el cienes en la tarea. Yo soy el cacique en tu propia.
Alright, so today we're gonna go drop off the 350Z so I can pick up the FD that got the engine bay painted. So that's ready to go put back together. I need to put all these parts back in it, clean it up, paint what I can just so it doesn't look like shit, and then install everything and then figure out what else I need. So I'm gonna go wash the 350Z. I'm gonna air up the rear tires first because they're probably low on air, and then drop this one off at the storage yard because I don't have any more room in the driveway. So one of them has to go, and that has to be the 350Z, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go wash it, drop it off, and then pick up the FD, and then we will get to work on the FD. 350Z is finally clean. It was dusty as shit. That's what happened when your car sits for a long time. So now I'm just gonna wait for my friend to text me back telling me that he's awake so I can go pick up the FD and then drop this one off at storage.
Estamos en el final de la recta, el diablo me inyecta y saco la que son y los acuesta. Otro que se cae.
Alright, so we just picked up the Rx7 from paint, and this is what we got. It is a Toyota color. It's an OEM color. I forgot what it was, but we just did the bay for now. Put the engine back in. We will be doing the outside of the car. That same color, but that'll be later on. My main focus is just to get it running right now. So I'm going to take all these parts and then clean them, paint what I can, and put them on here and see how far I get in 2 days. Alright, so just a quick little update, just because I haven't been recording anything basically because I just get really into it, so I just find it difficult to pick up the camera, or my phone actually, my phone. But yeah, so everything is mocked up, everything is still loose. That's because I still need to clean everything, buy gaskets, water pumps. But the thing is, I forgot how this shit goes back together. Mainly because it's my first time taking apart an FD engine wise. Unlike a 240 where I kind of already know where everything goes after doing it a couple times. This time I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just mocking shit up. Everything is literally still, I have a couple bolts holding shit in. But this way I'll know what gaskets I need and if I'm missing any parts, mainly because tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up a stock hood, and the guy's actually parting out an FD. So then, if I need anything else from him, I can pick it up there and then, I guess. But yeah, so I'm still gotta clean a bunch of parts off that thing. Buy gaskets, and then I am putting all the stock stuff back in for now, just because we're short on money, and this car ran with everything OEM-ish. At one point it ran fine before it sat for a couple years, and then I'm just gonna throw everything stock back in and then slowly just upgrade as I go. But for now, this is just a quick little update, I guess, of where I'm at. And I really love how this paint came out. Alright, so not much progress. Just because I'm doing very unnecessary, not very boring shit, like cleaning. I gotta take it all back apart again and clean it, get new gaskets, and then I just been, like I said, cleaning stuff and then painting stuff like this. Alternator bracket, brake booster, intercooler bracket, water pump pulley. So that's kind of boring. I don't really want to show the process of that. And then yeah, I'm just cleaning shit up. So but yeah, quick little progress of what I'm doing here. Everything's going back together fine. Yeah, it's basically going to just be cleaning and waiting for gaskets mostly now. Now I'm gonna go pick up the hood, and hopefully the other guy has some other couple parts that I might need. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so for the most part, it was about all I could get done. Basically, I did nothing too exciting, just painting shit, figuring out what gaskets I need. Everything's just barely held on with like 2 bolts or something, so I'm gonna take everything back off, clean it, and I'm really considering polishing everything I can. I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but I think the polished look looks pretty clean. And then with the red engine bay. So yeah. I don't think I mentioned it, but I want to go pick up that hood. It looks way better. I didn't like the vents after a while, and I've been digging the OEM metal. Yeah, that's probably why I'm probably gonna end up sticking with stock metal fenders, front and rear, so I don't have to cut up into it. And interiors get in there. My main focus right now is just getting the car to run properly, and then from there we'll do all the fun stuff that people actually look at, you know. But yeah, this is kind of like a dumb filler video, but just wanted to catch up to a few people that are interested. And then we're gonna pull this rattling shit out. We can pull that one inside, because this one still has, it's gonna be a while still, so I don't want to let the 240 sit inside. But yeah, quick little update I guess on the Rx7.